Hello students, welcome to the video lecture series on electrical installation, maintenance and testing. Today we are interested for the insulation deterioration, and in the previous class we have discussed the factors which are responsible for the insulation failure. This insulation deterioration, or you can say deterioration means losing its property over a period of time. So that is called as a deterioration. So we will discuss the today's topic of our interest, insulation deterioration. Heat is the prime cause which leads to the electrical insulation deterioration, and one can know that this heat developed is because of many reasons. So because of faults, this heat is going to develop. Because of, if there is a, you can say, short circuit, or you can say if there is a overcurrent is going to flow from that particular conductor or from that particular cable, it develops the heat. So there are many reasons, many ways of heat developed inside the conductor, and this results into the insulation deterioration. Some possible causes of heat generation in the electrical insulation are as follows. So the first reason is heat is generated in the electrically stressed insulation due to the dielectric loss and conduction currents. So if we know that if the dielectric losses are increasing, then it results into the heat developed inside the insulator. Heat is imparted to the insulation by the neighboring current carrying parts. So this is also again one major reason. So if the neighboring current carrying parts are in contact with that insulator, so it develops the heat. Now if you look at the dissipation of the heat from the insulation, then heat is lost in insulator by three phenomena. So that is a conduction, convection and radiation. A special cooling facility is provided whenever necessary. So all the electrical industries are taking care of this heat must be dissipated by any form of this. As the resistivity of some dielectric materials decreases with increase in temperature, whereas the loss angle increases. The thermal equilibrium implies a stable temperature at which the heat lost is equal to heat gained. If the thermal stability is lost, say due to the inadequate cooling, the temperature rises indefinitely, leading to the insulation failure. Every 10 degrees Celsius rise in temperature above the limit reduces the insulation resistance as well as its expected life by around half. At prolonged high temperature, the organic insulating materials starts to dry and become brittle, which leads to build up of cracks. Following are the main reasons, or following are the main causes of the electrical insulation deterioration. First is the formation of the track. So one might be have seen there are tracks are going to develop on the insulator. Now we will discuss what is track in the electrical insulation. Tracking is the formation of permanent conducting paths along the surface of insulator. So in the fourth year of the subject high voltage engineering, you are having one experiment to see treeing and tracking of on the insulator. So we are supplying a high voltage on that particular insulator material, and there is a formation of tracks and trees. So that is a wonderful experiment which you will conducting in the fourth year. Following are the causes of track formation in the electrical insulation. The degradation of the surface due to the sparking. The presence of conduction film along the surface of the insulator due to the moisture, dirt, salt, layer, etc. The mechanism of the sparking along the surface arising due to the breaking of leakage currents along the surface. Now we are interested for the second important point, that is called as a presence of humidity. So one can know that if there is a possibility of humidity or the moisture is there, so because of that humidity or moisture, some organic and inorganic insulation material oxidize in presence of oxygen. Ozone, particularly when exposed to light, polythene oxidizes when exposed to bright sunlight, and rubber oxidizes and cracks when exposed to light. So this is the reason of having the, you can say, the oxidation process. Some materials absorb the moisture and lose its electrical and mechanical strength under the humid conditions. Due to the hydrolysis, polyethylene, cellulose esters and other polyesters are typical examples of such materials. Thus, oxygen and moisture lead to the insulation deterioration. The third important cause is excess electrical stress. So that we have discussed earlier, when the electrical stress is one of the most important reason of the insulation deterioration. The discharge occurs on the surface or within the insulator whenever the stresses exceed the breakdown value. The surface discharge is caused by higher electrical stresses than the permitted value. And the fourth cause of insulation deterioration is the chemical deterioration. So the chemical which we are using for manufacturing the cable, so if that, because of that chemical, if that deteriorates, so the insulator is also starts deteriorating. We'll discuss this point in detail. The stability of organic insulation material increases with time and temperature. So paper loses its mechanical strength within a few days at temperature of the order of 150 degrees Celsius. Even it is protected from moisture and air, the oxygen and moisture causes the rapid deterioration at such a temperatures. The moisture causes deterioration of the transformer oil and other insulation materials, whether solid, liquid or gaseous. The moisture creates a special problems in enclosed equipments, and the moisture gets condensed on insulator surface and causes the flashover. At temperature of 400 to 500 degrees Celsius, the mica product slowly deteriorates both electrically and mechanically. So this is the fourth reason of the insulation deterioration. Now one can say that because of the mechanical stresses also there are the insulation deterioration. Some components are weak in tensile load and some are weak on impact load, and therefore components may fail due to excessive mechanical stresses. The vibration are unavoidable at many places in the industries. So you can consider the case of the electrical motor or the electrical generator. So we cannot avoid the vibrations, and because of that mechanical stresses are going to develop on the insulator, and this is one of the main reason for insulation failure. The sixth important point of the causes of deterioration is the incompatibility of the dielectric material. The incompatibility means not suitable to be used together. Some dielectric materials are not suitable in particular assemblies because of their incompatibility with the surrounding materials. For example, some of synthetic materials deteriorate rapidly, when placed adjacent to current carrying copper at temperature of about 80 degrees Celsius. Thus, compatibility is one thing which must be taken care while selecting the material of the insulation. I hope you understood the electrical insulation deterioration, and whenever the question is asked for 7 to 8 marks, explain the insulation deterioration. So you have to explain these 6 points in detail. In the next class, we will discuss the important factor or the index that is called as the polarization index. Thank you. God bless you all.